everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California, and welcome to another clean with me. I am going to be dedicating hopefully under an hour to do the greenhouse in today's episode, and then the last thing I would like to do once I do a planting with Jewelyn with all of the succulents that I yanked from my succulent shelf, which is right there in this tray. I want to go ahead and fix them up in an upcoming planting with Jewelyn and put them back in the greenhouse in a nursery planter. Stay tuned for that. But before I go ahead and do that project, I would like to go ahead and empty out the whole greenhouse. And I've done this before on the channel, but my grandma had helped me last time with that project, and that was very fun to see her active out here in the collection. I'm gonna gut the whole greenhouse out. I'm gonna take everything out, see what's gonna go back in there, reorganize it. Ideally, one side I would like to keep for all of the plants I have for sale. On the other side, I would like to keep for anything that is trying to find itself, rehab, rescues, things like that, or things that maybe I am propagating. So I'm gonna try to organize it that way, and then I can see how much space I have left. And then in the upcoming, maybe tomorrow, I'll go ahead and do a planting with Jewelyn, fixing up the succulents and then sticking them back into the greenhouse. So I'm just gonna film myself doing another clean with me, and then once everything is situated, I will go ahead and do another clean with me for the side of my potting bench with all of my empty planters. And I'm gonna use that shelf next to my potting bench for all planters and get my place ready. I think that's gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do before I film my spring 2020 plant tour. So I hope you guys enjoy the process of clean with me, gearing up my collection for spring 2020 plant tour. Let's get started. It is almost 5 p.m. and I want to go ahead and do this as quick as possible. Abby, don't drink the fountain, honey. Come here. Alright you guys, that is gonna wrap up another clean with me. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of me gutting out the greenhouse, cleaning up this area, and putting back a bunch of babies in the greenhouse. I have the tray here that I want to work on for the next planting with Jewelyn. So I do have a bunch of succulents that I pulled from the succulent shelf that I want to do an upcoming planting with Jewelyn, fixing up the plant baby, so stay tuned for that. But the greenhouse is refilled. Bring my fiddle leaf figs into the greenhouse. These two I just kind of want to keep in here. I'm thinking if I'm going to put it back in a nursery planter or just keep it in their planter that they're in now, just so, because they're finicky plants and I don't want to see any leaf drop. I just want to get them in better shape. But I was able to kind of get things where I want to, and now I see that I do have extra room, so it's going to be perfect when I put these succulents into the greenhouse to get better for the upcoming season. But I hope you guys enjoy my Clean With Me series. This is very motivating for me to go through the process section by section in my collection and just cleaning up, especially now that the weather is perfect and I'm gearing up, I keep saying this, for my spring 2020 plant tour. Having 600 plants, guys, there's you know, the good and the bad side of plant life and the pretty and not so pretty side of plant life. But the greenhouse has definitely been seeing a lot of plants turn over, whether it's plant babies being sold and moving out of the greenhouse into your home, or I'm propagating or trying to rescue, save, and kind of like a bunch of plants that just do better in the greenhouse live here full time. So stay tuned, because at the end of my 4-part spring 2020 plant tour, I'm going to be doing a tour of the greenhouse and to show with you what's currently living in here. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads between the main channel Monday through Thursday and the vlog channel Friday through Sunday. You get a video each and every day. Stay tuned, because I want to do the potting bench planter section on the left hand side of the potting bench. I want to go ahead and reorganize all of my planters once I empty out these planters here, and I can see all the planters available for use, and it's gonna look so pretty for the plant tour for spring 2020. So stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is my 3rd video of the day. I'm gonna wrap up for the day, make Abby some dinner, and we're gonna go for our evening walk. She's been really patient with me, and if you haven't, check out the vlog channel. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I'm doing my weekly vlogs where I vlog every day while I'm in quarantine, and you get to see what life for me is here behind the main channel, behind the scenes, because I do share a bunch of plant life and just what it's like to live with a huge collection on the vlog channel as well. So I'll see you guys there and see you here on the main channel for more plant life, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.